Hello everyone, welcome to your weekly digest. Let's talk about what's happening in Fitchburg coming up. So we're starting off with the Fitchburg Urban Forestry Strategic Plan Open House that's coming up on Wednesday, September 24th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the Oak Hall Room of Fitchburg's Community Center. Contribute to the City of Fitchburg's Urban Forestry Strategic Management Plan. This plan will guide urban forestry in the City of Fitchburg for the next 5 years. That's coming up. You can contact our urban forester and naturalist, Anna Healy, if you have any questions. Her email and phone number are on the screen. Thank you for caring about trees. Coming up at the library, we have a really exciting and unique program. It's the Great Gatsby Cooking and Entertaining Night. Friday, September 26th, you can celebrate the 100th anniversary of the Great Gatsby novel by stepping into the culinary world of the Roaring Twenties. With the Jazz Age as a backdrop, author Veronica Hincke will take us through the dishes and drinks that graced the tables of Jay Gatsby's lavish parties. Throughout the program, you can nibble on finger sandwiches, lemon cake, and other foods that Gatsby served Daisy at afternoon tea in Nick's cottage. Veronica Hincke is a culinary and lifestyle journalist and instructor specializing in early late 19th century and early 20th century drinking, dining, and entertainment. That's coming up at the Fitchburg Public Library, September 26th. It starts at 10:30 a.m. Coming up, we have Stormwater Week. That's September 20th through the 28th. So you can get involved. Join us for a week dedicated to learning about stormwater, what it is, the problems it can cause, and actions people can take to prevent stormwater pollution to our water. Don't miss out on the opportunity to learn from experts and make a difference. So mark your calendar for September 20th through the 28th. This year, there is a call to action. Wisconsin residents should get involved with a local cleanup or adopt a neighborhood storm drain. Are you hosting a cleanup or an adopt a storm drain program? If not, register here. QR code should be on your screen. And one last thing, we have some vaccination clinics coming up in the area. So parents, mark your calendar. Public Health Madison and Dane County is offering 7 vaccination clinics this October, and there's one in Fitchburg. So Fitchburg will have one taking place at the Savannah Oaks Middle School on Saturday, October 4th from noon to 4. They can vaccinate kids 5 and older who meet the following criteria: do not have insurance or have Quartz, GHC, or Dean, have Badger Care, are age 19 and under, are Alaskan Native, American Indian. Check out the full criteria online. Appointments are strongly recommended, so head to their website for more information. Thanks for tuning in for your weekly update. We'll see you back next time.